There are so many things that have happened. So uncertainty is there. Third, C. C stands for complexity. Nothing is simple. सब कुछ complex है. Okay? And चौथा है A. और A stands for ambiguity. माने हम volatile दुनिया में रह रहे हैं जहां सब कुछ uncertain है, complexity ज्यादा है और ambiguity है. माने हमको clarity नहीं है कि कोई straight line में जाएगा क्या? Will one thing follow the other thing? नहीं मालूम है. आप कहीं पे निकले हैं जाने के लिए, रास्ते में क्या हो जाएगा आपको मालूम नहीं है. You make a plan, that plan may not fructify. You are living in this world. Can I request कुछ
आईटी, आज की तारीख में भी पूछो कंप्यूटर साइंस में पढ़ाना है, आईटी में पढ़ाना है, बट वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड, वर्ल्ड हैज कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड, इट इज नॉट द सेम एनीमोर। ओके, so we have to understand when we are talking to youth, and my request to all the youth here is, let us open our minds, let us start thinking not about ki kal kya milega, let us start thinking about 20 years from now what will happen. Why am I saying this? It's very important to understand, because what has happened is India is an amazing country. Okay, I'll talk about it further. हमारे देश में आज जो population है और जो capability है, हमने जम्मू कश्मीर में काम किया है, we had come to Jammu Kashmir, we had interacted with a lot of children there, we interacted with youth there. The amount of talent that is there today is amazing. You know, and I'm really telling this with a lot of sincerity, because when I talk to youngsters, when I talk to them, I realize इतना energy है, इतनी capability है, इतनी potential है, but क्या होता है, we tend to follow somebody, we are not trying to think on our own. So when we start realizing that there is going to be an opportunity 20 years from now, and we start thinking about it, is when we can do something great. Because क्या हो रहा है, IT जब आया, we were not the leaders, we were the followers. अमेरिका आ गया, अमेरिका ने अपना सिलिकॉन सिटी बना दिया, and things started happening there, whereas we started following. तो आज हमारे सारे के सारी जनता जो है, they are into services for the IT, we are not into creating more stuff for the IT. So there is a big difference between being a creator. तो मैं जब इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में जाके बच्चों से बात करता हूँ, और आई टॉक टू ग्रेजुएट्स, और आई टॉक टू पीपल कि व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, व्हाट यू वांट टू क्रिएट इन दिस वर्ल्ड, यू नो, देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ, यू नो, कॉन्फिडेंस, देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ बिलीफ कि हम कुछ बड़ा कर सकते हैं. एवरीबडी सेज कि मुझे अच्छा जॉब चाहिए, मुझे अच्छे पैसे चाहिए, मुझे अच्छा पोजीशन चाहिए. नोबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रिएटिंग समथिंग. आप सोचिए, एक मार्क जुकरबर्ग ने फेसबुक क्रिएट किया. ही वाज अ यंगस्टर, ही इज नॉट सम ग्रेट पीएचडी स्कॉलर इन सम दिस थिंग, बट ही हैड अ थॉट. Google create हुआ, Larry Page created Google, they had a thought. So again, coming back to the process, if we start thinking about the future and we understand कि future में क्या हो रहा है, there is a big possibility that ये जो young population है, why am I saying this, हमारे देश में compared to the world, the youth is the maximum. आप यूरोप में जाइए, आप यूएस में जाइए, कहीं भी जाइए, you will not find the number of youth that are there in our country. That means the brain, the potential that is available in our country is maximum. So we need to start thinking about what are the jobs that will be remain in the future. Now, second thing, what is going to be the future of work? मैं जो स्लाइड दिखा रहा हूं, ऑलरेडी इट इज हैपनिंग. आज मैं पुणे में बैठा हूं, मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक सेमिनार कर रहा हूं इन कश्मीर, और कश्मीर में भी इधर उधर से सब लोग आए हुए हैं और सब देख रहे हैं. यानी कि काम जो है, इट इज नॉट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू एन ऑफिस अलोन. टुडे वी कैन वर्क फ्रॉम होम, टुडे वी कैन वर्क फ्रॉम अ बीच, वी कैन वर्क फ्रॉम अ कार, एंड यू सी, दो लोग अलग अलग दुनिया के कोने में बैठे हैं, लेकिन एक दूसरे के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, एंड दे आर अर्निंग मनी, दे आर अर्निंग रेवेन्यू. Now this is something that we need to start thinking कि life is not about कि पहले जो होता था कि डिग्री कर लो, जाके एक जॉब ले लो. Work is no longer the same. Work is completely changed. So what is going to be the future? अब ये एक रिसर्च किया था हमने कि इज द फ्यूचर गोइंग टू बी लाइक दिस, एवरीबडी सिटिंग ऑन अ लेज, आपके साथ में रोबोट काम कर रहे हैं. अब कोई रोबोट नीचे गिर रहा है, कोई किसी को हेल्प कर रहा है, कोई किसी को गिरा रहा है. इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट फ्यूचर. आज ऑटोमेशन आ गया है, रोबोट्स आ गए हैं, मशीन लर्निंग आ गया है, काम का पूरा जो तरीका था वो बदल चुका है. हमारा जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम बना था, इट वाज मेड ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश टाइम्स, हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स बैक. व्हाट वाज द कॉन्सेप्ट कि असेंबली लाइन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए बना था, कि यानी कि फैक्ट्री में जाओ, काम करो, असेंबली लाइन होगा, प्रोसेस फॉलो करो. उसी तरीके से हमारा स्कूल्स डिजाइन किए गए कि डिसिप्लिन फॉलो करो, सीटी बजाएंगे तो सब जाके क्लास में बैठो, सब जो बोला जाएगा वो करो. लेकिन आज अगर आप वर्क लाइफ देखोगे, द वर्क लाइफ इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. आज तो एवरी सेकेंड डे द थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग. When come to office, the complete scenario has changed. You know, new systems have come in, new people have come in. You have to talk to new people, you have to come up with new decisions, you have to think differently, you have to come up with your own ideas. That is the need of the hour. If we follow the same system which have been followed for hundreds of years, where will we reach? So we have to understand, you know, before, when we are talking about the future of work, we have to understand what is the demand of this work life. The demand of this work life is going to be very different. So we have to prepare ourselves for it in our minds. Okay, now I'm going to give you some simple trends, you know, very simple. In our research, when we did, we said, let us break this entire complexity into simple 6 trends in this world of work. What are these 6 trends? So anything that you take up, आपने आनंद देसाई सर ने आपको बताया कि एक 5-6 क्वेश्चन पूछने को बताया. व्हाट इज द टाइप ऑफ वर्क दैट आई विल एंजॉय, व्हाट इज द फील्ड इन विच आई विल गेट इनटू. नाउ फील्ड के बारे में जब आता है, हाउ डू यू सेलेक्ट अ फील्ड and how are you, because if I'm talking to a graduate today and I'm telling him to select a field in which he is going to work, he has to be very sure कि ये field कहीं 5 साल के बाद में die down तो ना हो जाए. मैं तो चला गया उसके अंदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव गॉन इनटू ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग और आईसी इंजन खत्म हो गए, इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स आ गए, तो फिर वो डिग्री करने का क्या फायदा हुआ? दैट मीन्स आई विल हैव टू रीस्किल माई सेल्फ, आई हैव टू अपलर्न, आई हैव टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. तो आई हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर कि अगले 15-20 सालों में what are those areas which will remain and what are the trends today which are indicating, because nobody can predict कि 10 साल के बाद क्या होने वाला है. This is very unpredictable, but at least I can find out certain trends. I can find out certain trends to say, okay, these are the areas in which there is going to be growth. These are the areas in which मैं काम करूंगा तो मैं रहूंगा, मेरा demand रहेगा. So what are the 6 areas? First, we talk about automation. Now, automation, when you talk about it, anything that is getting automated is, anything in this world which is a process is going to get automated. जैसे कि हमने accounts की बात करी, अगर accounting की बात करें या auditing की बात करें, auditing and accounting are processes. Now, anything which a man doesn't need to apply his brain, अपना दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ देखना है कि पहले क्या हुआ, बाद में क्या हुआ, एक process बना दिया, is going to get automated. So automation is going to be a big trend. अगर आप किसी भी ऐसे काम में जा रहे हो जहां पे आपको सिर्फ एक प्रोसेस फॉलो करना है, तो आपके लिए वो इट विल बी अ डेंजर. सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑटोमेशन इज गोइंग टू कम इन, रोबोटिक्स इज गोइंग टू कम इन. जहां पे आदमी पहले वेल्डिंग करता था, आज की तारीख में अगर आप देखोगे ऑटोमोबाइल वर्कशॉप्स में पहले आदमी वेल्ड करते थे, आज रोबोटिक आर्म्स वेल्ड करते हैं. सो रोबोट्स आ गए हैं, सो कंप्लीटली ऑटोमेटेड सिस्टम्स. सो फर्स्ट ट्रेंड इज ऑटोमेशन. So anything that you're getting into, if it is involving automation, you're in a safe zone. So get into automation. जहां पे automation हो रहा है, अगर आप automation में interested हो, robotics होगा या digitization होगा. When anything is getting digitized, creating, जैसे आपने data science हो गया, data science में आप programming सीखते हो, statistics सीखते हो और उसको digitize करते हो and come up with predictive models कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. Those are all areas which are growing today. So automation is one area which is going to be across the spectrums of different fields. हर फील्ड में जाएगा, टूल्स बनेंगे, टेक्नोलॉजी बनेगा, which will invade into every field. चाहे वो हेल्थ हो जाए, चाहे वो एजुकेशन हो जाए, चाहे वो अकाउंटिंग हो जाए, चाहे वो बैंकिंग हो जाए, हर सेक्टर में, एग्रीकल्चर हो जाए, हर जगह ऑटोमेशन काम करने वाला है. तो ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि आगे के इसमें ऑटोमेशन इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी बिग ट्रेंड एंड वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट. सो दोज ऑफ यू हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन टेक्नोलॉजी or into coding or anything like that, automation is one trend which is going to be there for a long time to come, and it is going to be continuously evolving itself. The second trend which is happening is miniaturization. हर चीज छोटी हो रही है. You look at your mobile phone, उसका साइज छोटा हो रहा है, उसके अंदर के जो चिप हैं वो छोटे छोटे होते चले जा रहे हैं. There is something called nano technology. नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है? कल को आपके बॉडी के अंदर एक छोटा सा सेंसर डाल दिया जाएगा, वो आपका कंटिन्यूअसली ब्लड का कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल मेजर करेगा. देयर इज अ बॉट विच इज गोइंग टू मेजर योर कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल इन योर ब्लड. ऑलरेडी हो रहा है, हमारे दुनिया में हो रहा है ये. सो मिनिचराइजेशन, जो हर चीज छोटा होते चले जा रहा है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिग ट्रेंड इन द फील्ड ऑफ एनी फील्ड. Any field that you're getting into, if you look at if there is miniaturization happening, if something is getting smaller, something is being designed which is to be smaller, that is an area that you need to get into. The third trend is time compression. Now let me tell you what is time compression. आज की दुनिया में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कीमती चीज क्या है हमारे पास? हमारा टाइम. यानी if you design something which saves time for you, अभी क्या है, टेक्नोलॉजी आ गया है, आपका ई कॉमर्स आ गया है. आज आपको अगर कुछ खरीदना है तो आप ऑनलाइन जाकर के ऑर्डर प्लेस कर देते हो, राइट? पहले आपको क्या करना था, मार्केट में जाके खरीदना पड़ता था. आज आपका ऑनलाइन मार्केट है. इससे क्या फायदा होता है? आपका टाइम सेव होता है. सो टाइम कंप्रेशन इज, पहले जिस काम में हमको 6 घंटे लगते थे, आज हमको वो 6 मिनट में हो जाता है काम. That is called time compression. So anything, the whole world is trying to reduce time so that you can do what you want to do. आपको जो अच्छा लगता है आप करेंगे. अगर आपका बाकी टाइम पर टाइम बच जाता है, तो चाहे वो आपका कुकिंग का टाइम बचाने का हो, चाहे आपके सामान खरीदने का टाइम बचाने का हो, आपका कोई भी जो आप डेली रोजमर्रा का काम करते हैं, whatever work you're doing every day, if you're able to compress that time and you're able to do it faster, you will have more time available to yourself. Now that's the trend. So any area which is, now what we are talking about is, if you remember what we talked about is, you're going to solve problems. Whether it is helping somebody, whether it is working in a job, whether it is starting a business, whether you're coming up with an entrepreneurship idea, you're solving a problem. Now these are all problems which people are facing in today's world. कि मुझे अपना टाइम बचाना है, मेरे पास इतनी चीजें करने के लिए, how do I save my time? And today you have technology, you have so many things available where you can use it to compress time. So all the fields in which time compression is going to be there is going to be in demand. This is the third trend. The fourth trend that we have seen in our research is called greening of the world. Now, what is this greening of the world? आज की तारीख में, the government has come up with this thing of, planting trees, okay, climate conservation, energy conservation, waste management. This is all greening of the world, whether it is using hybrid energy models, whether it is getting into renewable energy. So आप energy field में अगर जाओगे तो बहुत बड़ा स्कोप है, बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप है. So that's another area which is in huge demand. Then forests, conservation of forests. Now Kashmir is a beautiful place. Now conserving that environment, keeping that environment green and clean is going to be a big demand in the coming years. The government is going to focus on it. So there's a lot of work happening in the greening of the world. Okay, whether it is energy, whether it is waste, whether it is forests, whether it is river, whether it is water conservation, all these areas are going to be in huge demand. So people who are thinking of getting into this area, this is a brilliant area to get into, because there's going to be a huge demand in all these areas of energy, forest, climate, waste, water, managing this, conserving it. Also policy makers. Now when you talked about type of work, आप सोचिए, एक मैंने फील्ड का नाम ले रहा हूं, बट इस फील्ड के अंदर एक तो हो गया साइंटिफिक लोग जो रिसर्च करेंगे, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड देयर आर पीपल हु विल बी ह्यूमैनिटीज पीपल हु विल बी मेकिंग पॉलिसी डिसीजंस. Even they will be involved in it. So this field has got different types of work. A research oriented person will also be there. An equipment oriented person also can be there. A very, very, social kind of a person who wants to serve the society can also be there. So everybody can fit themselves into these fields. But then you need to know what you would like to do. So that's where it comes कि अपने आप को समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि what am I good at? If I am good at something, can I connect up? I'm just drawing the connect to what Anand had brought out in the morning session, saying that how do you connect yourself? If I know my strength, can I connect myself to one of these areas? But yes, you have to be very sure कि अगले 5 साल में, अगले 10 साल में ये area demand में रहेगा. That's very important to understand. Because मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं जाना चाहता. I will invest a lot of time, I will invest a lot of money, I will do some studies, but at the end of it, if that field itself is going to change, then what is the point? Return होता है, return on investment मांगते हैं ना हम लोग. If I'm investing something, whether it is money or time, I need a return on it. Therefore, we need to understand the trends very well. Now, the fifth trend that we talked about is called ruralization. Now if you look at it, the cities have got completely packed. सारे cities भर गए हैं. Now people are moving outwards towards villages. So there's a lot of concept about, I would say rural agriculture management. Cooperatives are being formed for farming. There are contract farming is happening. Vertical farming is happening. Smart villages is the new concept. आज इसके बारे में there is a lot of work happening in the conceptual level. But आज से 2 साल 3 साल में आप देखोगे बहुत मूवमेंट होने वाला है. क्यों मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये, आप थोड़ा देखिए क्या हो रहा है हमारे देश में. कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है. कहाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है? Highways are getting constructed, roads are getting constructed. Where are these roads leading to? So that means every village is getting connected. सारे villages connect हो रहे हैं, तो rural areas are getting connected. Moment rural areas get connected, there is going to be reverse migration. People were running away from the village coming to cities. Now people are going to move from cities to villages. क्यों? वहां पे quality of life better है, वहां पे हवा अच्छी है, पानी अच्छा है. So what will happen is, moment you see another 3 to 5 years, there's going to be a lot of focus. अभी स्मार्ट सिटीज की बात हो रही है, आगे जाके स्मार्ट विलेजेस की बात होगी. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन गेटिंग इनटू आर्किटेक्चर, ग्रीन आर्किटेक्चर, getting into town planning, urban planning, rural planning, these are all areas which will be in demand. There are also going to be areas in demand which are, where agriculture management itself is going to be a very big area. और ये कश्मीर के लिए बहुत relevant है कि आपके यहाँ पे अखरोट का बहुत फार्मिंग होता है. Right? अखरोट is a very beautiful thing which comes from Kashmir. Apples come in Kashmir. Now imagine, you are going to get into the futuristic part of it, how to improve the produce, how to come up with unique ideas, right? So this is something that you can to think about. So what I'm saying is, हमको proactive होके सोचना पड़ेगा. Every youngster needs to think, where can I add value into the system and staying where I am. जम्मू कश्मीर में रह करके मैं कैसे अपने आप को बहुत ऊंचे लेवल तक लेके जा सकता हूँ. Support is going to be there. The whole world is going to support us, provided we have this idea, we have that knowledge of what we want to do. So if you look at these 5 trends, they're very important to understand. And last but not the least is the trend called personalization. Now let me tell you what is this personalization. जैसे मैंने बताया, a long time back, the industry used to be assembly lines. माने we used to have assembly line industry कि आपको एक कार बनाना है तो मास में कार प्रोड्यूस होते थे. सारी कंपनियां मास में प्रोड्यूस करती थी सब कुछ. अब पूरा चेंज हो रहा है. नाउ आई कैन सिट एट होम एंड आई कैन ऑर्डर व्हाट आई वांट. मैं अपने अपने कंप्यूटर से आई कैन ऑर्डर माई ओन कार, आई कैन ऑर्डर माई ओन मग, आई कैन ऑर्डर माई ओन टी शर्ट, आई कैन डिजाइन इट ऑन माई ओन. मुझे किस कलर में चाहिए, मुझे किस कॉम्बिनेशन में चाहिए. देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड 3D प्रिंटिंग. कितने लोगों ने सुना है 3D प्रिंटिंग? 3D printing is a 3D printing is a very very important technique which has come in. अभी वो 4D printing की तरफ जा रहा है. तो this is a technique. You can have a printer at home and you can design what you want. खाने से लेकर के, कपड़ा से लेकर के, मकान तक you can design using 3D printing. And that's the future. That means everything is getting personalized. आज अगर आप देखो meditation और योगा की बात हो रही थी, everybody wants a personal trainer to come home and train you. पहले होता था कि आप योगा क्लास में जाओ, अभी होता है कि मेरे को पर्सनल ट्रेनर चाहिए. एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग पर्सनलाइज्ड, राइट? सो पर्सनलाइजेशन इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिग ट्रेंड. तो एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी कस्टमाइज्ड. मतलब मेरे को जैसा चाहिए वैसा ही चाहिए, मेरे को असेंबली लाइन वाला नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को अपना डिजाइन चाहिए. दैट इज द डिमांड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड नाउ. Everybody wants their personal needs to be fulfilled. So find out an opportunity. What I'm saying is, COVID has got us obstacles. हमने देखा है कि businesses down हो रहे हैं, ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. But उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारी opportunities खड़ी हुई हैं सामने. If we observe the opportunities, I am sure these young minds, जो ये youngsters बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, you can come up with your own ideas and we can create a new world for ourselves. You don't have to go abroad. You don't have to go anywhere. आप कश्मीर में रह करके कश्मीर को जन्नत बनाओगे. जन्नत है वो, और वो जन्नत से बढ़िया बनेगा. Because you people are capable. And if you start solving these small problems, you will create an enterprise out of it. And the money will also come in. That is career. Career is about making yourself feel proud of what you're doing. And moment you align yourself with the world, understanding where the world is moving, you need to be, there are certain skills that are required here. Now we'll talk about it. I'm going to say, but have you understood there are 6 trends? So if you observe these 6 trends, you can connect up the fields. So why we are telling this is, जब हम field select करते हैं, जब वो question answer करना है कि कौन से field में जाना है, we should be very clear कि ये field future में रहेगा और मुझे खूब पैसा मिलेगा उसमें से. वो समझना बहुत जरूरी है. I should not land up taking a field which is going to die down. And that's why it's important to be a little bit proactive. And yes, you may not know everything today. आज आपको नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन इसीलिए हमारे साथ में mentors हैं, प्रोफेशनल्स हैं जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे, क्योंकि ये इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं. So all the mentors who will be talking to you are people who are working in the industry. So they'll be sitting one-on-one with you to understand your strength and help you understand here what is the right field I should take. And then you explore, you find out, and then you take a decision. Decision आप ही लेना है. Everybody will take their own decision, but then you need to be thinking in this terminologies. The next thing that we talk about is that when we talk about fields जो पहले होता था कि मैंने इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया, मैंने मेडिकल कर लिया, अभी वैसा नहीं है. अभी फील्ड सारे कंबाइन हो रही हैं. They're all getting combined. For example, if you look at robotics is not, there is no engineering called robotics. Is there any engineering field called robotics? There is no engineering field. आप मैकेनिकल करके रोबोटिक्स में जा सकते हो, आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स करके रोबोटिक्स में जा सकते हो, आप इलेक्ट्रिकल करके रोबोटिक्स में जा सकते हो, कंप्यूटर साइंस करके भी रोबोटिक्स में जा सकते हो. So that means you can do any kind of a technical study and you can get into the field of robotics. आपने इंजीनियरिंग नहीं भी किया है, आपने कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस किया है, आप तभी रोबोटिक्स में जा सकते हो. तो रोबोटिक्स में जाने के लिए ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ यही करने से आप रोबोटिक बन सकते हो. नहीं, the fields are getting combined. That means you are capable of becoming what you want to become, and there are different paths of education. So you don't have to constrain your mind. अपने दिमाग को constrain मत कीजिए कि अगर मैं इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करूंगा तो मैं रोबोटिक्स में नहीं जा सकता हूं. ऐसा नहीं है. आप कुछ भी करके, आप बीएससी करके भी आप कर सकते हो, आप बीसीए करके भी जा सकते हो. रोबोटिक्स के अंदर ही there are lot of areas in which you can work. There are different areas in which you can work. You can be a technician in robotics, you can be a programmer in robotics, you can be a person who is excellent in control systems in robotics. हर जगह पे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल है. तो एक फील्ड को लेकर के आपको क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए कि whether I am a knowledge oriented person, I am a skill oriented person, or I am a behavior oriented person जो को मेरे को सिर्फ बेचना है. अगर आपको रोबोटिक्स बेचना है तो आपको कोई इंजीनियर होने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ सेल्स सीखना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए आपको स्किल चाहिए, आपको क्वालिटीज बनानी पड़ेंगी अपनी सेल्स के लिए. तो सेल्स, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट इज वेरी डिफरेंट. So depending on what you want to do, you can get into different fields, but you have to develop skills for it. Now coming to life sciences and sensing technology, we've got wearable devices. मैंने बोला है कि आप एक सेंसर है आपके बॉडी में चले जाता है. आप फोन नहीं रहेगा फ्यूचर में. इंस्टेड ऑफ फोन यू विल हैव एन ईयरफोन which will work as a phone. You will not have a mobile. Your contact lenses will be like a computer. आज हम लैपटॉप देख रहे हैं, आपका कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज कंप्यूटर बन जाएगा. दे आर वेरेबल डिवाइसेस. सो सेंसिंग टेक्नोलॉजी इज एन एरिया व्हिच इज ग्रोइंग मल्टीफोल्ड. नाउ इसके अंदर भी देयर आर डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. सो एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग कंबाइंड. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, आपने ऑटोमेशन की बात करी, सेंसिंग टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करी, नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करी. ऑल ऑफ देम आर गेटिंग इनटू एवरी सिंगल फील्ड. दे आर जस्ट टूल्स. हमने आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सुना होगा, राइट? वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ IoT, artificial intelligence. They are not fragmented fields. They are getting into every single field, whether it is agriculture, whether it is medical, whether it is astrophysics, astronomy. हर जगह ये यूज हो रहा है. तो अगर आपको किसी फील्ड में काम करना है तो आपको पहले डिसाइड करना होगा कि मुझे क्या करना है, और फिर सारे टूल सीखने होंगे. तो आपको कॉम्बिनेटोरियल स्किल्स सीखने पड़ेंगे. एक जगह पढ़ाई करके कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. यू हैव टू लर्न मल्टीपल थिंग्स. So this is an era which is very different from the 70s and 80s. जहाँ पे मैंने एक इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री कर लिया और मैंने जॉब ले लिया. आज के era में along with your educational qualification, you must have a lot of reputation building by skills. Develop a lot of skills. Learn, certify yourself in certain areas. Go and work in certain areas. Do projects. जब ये सब काम होना शुरू होगा, automatically the industry will know you and you will be in demand in the world of work. Now that is what we are talking about. So there's combinatorial fields going to be there. Now let us look at what is happening in the world of work. आज हमारे इंडस्ट्री में क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है? मैं आपको कुछ बताना चाहूंगा. हमारे इन आवर इंडस्ट्री, यू नो, व्हेन वी आर हायरिंग पीपल फॉर जॉब्स, what is happening is a lot of people are wasting their time. So what happens is people are getting fed up. Time जा रहा है and time cannot be retrieved. You know, if somebody steals something from my office, I can always get it back. But जो time चला गया ना, उसको कोई वापस नहीं ला सकता है. And most of the employers are facing this problem because youngsters come to office, they while away time, and that time can never come back. Now, this is the one big problem most employers are facing. Now, when we did this entire analysis, what is going to be the future in the world of work? We said there will be 3 worlds of work. एक world of work होगा, which we call it the blue world of work. Okay, एक PwC का, PricewaterhouseCoopers का एक research है जो हमने पता किया था. What they said is एक blue world of work होगा, which is the large companies. तो large companies तो रहेंगी, जैसे कि TCS है, then you have Infosys, you have Wipro, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां, ये तो रहेंगी, they will remain. But आज क्या हो रहा है, ये कंपनियां they are removing people from jobs. Why? Because automation आ रहा है, technology आ रहा है. So lot of layoffs are happening in these companies. There's a reason, because they have to cut their cost. Every company wants to cut its cost and keep it become efficient. So you cannot blame them. But what is happening along with that is there is a new world of work called orange world of work which is growing. Now what is this orange world of work? इसमें क्या है ना, people who are skilled, जैसे कि if I am very good in coding, if I am very good in doing design, if I am very good in creating a mobile app, or I am very good in doing some human resource related work, all these people are doing freelance work. आज freelance के sites हैं, they are all forming clusters. तो छोटी कंपनियां, छोटे clusters, they are forming that, and these people are now available to these large companies. So large companies, instead of hiring somebody, are giving contract to these small companies. So contract पे काम हो रहा है. So now if you are getting into this, any youngster, आप आज graduation में हो, you're in a college, you must get into the orange world of work. Do not think of getting into the blue world of work, because ये जो people are getting employed in a placement, ये 5-6 सालों में इनको निकाला जा रहा है काम से, because they are becoming useless. Whereas the people who are into the small companies, who are working very well, they are getting employed by the larger companies. And then क्या होता है, आपकी reputation build होती है. Moment your reputation gets built, you do a good job and somebody gives you good recommendation, 5 years from down the line, the same company, which is a large company, will hire you in a management position. So what is happening is experience in a small company is more valuable than a fresher's experience in a large company. So this is completely different from what you must have heard, because a lot of youngsters feel कि मेरे को Infosys में नौकरी मिल गई तो I am done, मेरा जिंदगी बन गया. ऐसा नहीं है. आज की तारीख में क्या हो रहा है, people who are getting into the the orange world of work, जो छोटी कंपनियों में काम करते हैं, 5-7 years में जो experience gain होता है, they are the people who take up senior management positions in the large companies. So if you really want to grow in your life, understand that your initial 5 years of work, when you can work hard, you should work in a small company and create a big name for yourself. Reputation बनाओ. जब reputation बनेगा, demand बढ़ेगा. If demand बढ़ेगा, automatically the large company will call you for an interview. Don't try to get into a large company in the initial days. That's my advice. Now coming to the third, which is the green world of work. Everybody is asking about it. Now let me tell you what is this green world of work. We already talked about it. हमने बोला था ग्रीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आज इफ यू लुक एट सोशल सर्विसेज, कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हर कॉर्पोरेट में कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है. कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज कमिंग अप इन अ वेरी बिग वे. Every company is spending 2% of its profits on corporate social responsibility. Now, there are people who need to run these projects in education, in health, in various areas. Okay, these have to be run. So, corporate social responsibility is one green area. Energy management is another area. Water conservation is another area. Waste management is another area. These are all the green world of work. Social services, energy management, forest management, climate control, water management, waste management. These are all green areas. This will be a separate world of work which is very service oriented. So when you're a very service oriented person and you want to get into services, for example, our civil services, people who get into the civil services are people who are working in the green area. So there are three folds of work which are in a macro perspective. You have to fit yourself into these three folds of work. Now, when we say that, my suggestion is, as a youth, you should not think of getting into the large companies straight away. Get into the orange or the green, build a reputation. Once your reputation gets, because आप जब young हो ना, आपको ज़्यादा tension नहीं है, because you are not supporting a family at this point in time, so you don't have too many responsibilities. तो आप 20 घंटा काम कर सकते हो दिन में. मेहनत करो, अपना नाम बढ़ाओ, and आपके अंदर capability है. If you focus on it and you build a reputation for yourself, you will be in demand 5 to 7 years from now, and that is the time you will stabilize. You will get married, you will be having a family responsibility, and that is the time you will get a call from the large company because you've got reputation. That is how this whole process would work, right? Now, what we talked about it. Orange world of work is outsourced work, specialized teams, independent workers, virtual collaboration. Okay, now look at this. ये जो मैं दिखा रहा हूं आपको, ये सारे sites हैं जहां पे people are getting money. घर में बैठे बैठे पैसा कमाया जा रहा है. If you're a good artist, you can go on Fiverr.com and you can launch yourself up as an artist there. You will get projects from companies to do design work. आप graphic design कर सकते हो. आप you can become a Amazon seller. आप Amazon में जाके अपना you can sell yourself. Urban Clap में you can make your services available if you're good at something. People will call you and you can earn money there. And when you not only earn money, you will develop your reputation. Because क्या होता है, every time you do some work, somebody is going to give a testimonial और वहां पे लिखेंगे कि इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, आपको रेटिंग दिया जाएगा. आज रेटिंग का जमाना है. When you use something, somebody gives you a rating, right? You give a rating to an Ola cab, you give a rating to somebody. So आज rating का जमाना है. So whatever you do, somebody is going to talk about you, and that talking about you is going to get you more work. So remember, don't be a person who is going to beg for jobs. You be a person who will get work. You demand work for yourself by your capability. अपनी capability इतनी बढ़ाओ कि people will come and demand work from you. That is the new concept. The new concept is on demand work. On demand work. Remember what I'm saying. On demand work. That means I will do work and my work will be in demand. So we have to skill ourselves to make us ready for that work life, ready for that career life. Again, going back to the 5-6 questions. What will make me happy? If I'm a person who is very talkative and like to talk to a lot of people, I should not get into an area which makes me sit down in one corner of a room and do research. No, I should get into a work which involves talking a lot with a lot of people. For example, marketing. For example, going outward and meeting a lot of people and doing marketing or sales. I would love to do it. But somebody is very introvert and very quiet and likes to sit down in one corner. He should take up something research oriented, sits in one place and does research. So like this, understand the type of work and then build some aspirations for yourself in some field. Find out which field you would like to contribute to. अपने strength को समझो. कोई drawing में अच्छा है, कोई बात करने में अच्छा है, कोई किसी चीज में अच्छा है, तो decide a field based on that and then understand, put the check off list कि trending है क्या ये field, इस field future में रहेगा क्या, so you're safe. You'll take a safe decision. Because career 40 साल का है, career कल और आज का नहीं है. It is for next 40 years. So when you're taking a decision, spend some time. Don't hurry up. Even if you're doing graduation today or you're getting into a course, doesn't mean that your career is decided. इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं इसका मतलब नहीं है कि लाइफ पूरा आपको इंजीनियरिंग ही करना है. इंजीनियरिंग के अंदर क्या करना है? What problem do you want to solve? What is the career you want to make beyond engineering? 40 years क्या करोगे वहां पे? वो डिसाइड करना है. उसके लिए ये प्रेजेंटेशन है. This is what we are trying to tell you. The basic thing is, the more you work, the more you earn. Simple. जितना काम करोगे उतना आपका अर्निंग होगा. बट वही काम करो जिसमें आपका दिल लगा हो, जिसमें आप एंजॉय करते हो. अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत हैं. There is no doubt about it. Now there is another thing which is happening in the world, which is called a sharing economy model. मैं समझाता हूँ। आप सबने सुना होगा ओला उबर, तो सुना होगा ना सबने, ओला टैक्सीज, उबर टैक्सी जो चलती हैं, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ इट। I don't know how it is much is there in Kashmir, but it is there. It is something that has gone everywhere, right? So what happens is you have a person who designs a system. जैसे ओला ने एक ऐप बनाया, मोबाइल ऐप बनाया, ना तो वो टैक्सी ओन करता है, ना तो वो ड्राइवर को सैलरी देता है, उसने सिर्फ एक मोबाइल ऐप बनाया। वो मोबाइल ऐप उसने अपने ड्राइवर पार्टनर को दे दिया, आपके पास एक कार है, आप मेरा मोबाइल ऐप ड्राइवर पार्टनर बन के यूज करो। और एक कस्टमर को दे दिया कि आपको अगर कार चाहिए तो यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा, you will have all these things. Now what he says is, if I have this if I have a technology which is providing this service and I have a person who wants this service, तो बिना एक टैक्सी को ओन किए, बिना एक ड्राइवर को सैलरी दिए, he is managing a huge taxi service across the world। और कितना पैसा कमा रहा है? अगर एक एक दिन में एक ड्राइवर 2,000 रुपए कमाता है, उसका 30% ओला को जाता है, उबर को जाता है, यानी 600 रुपए एक ड्राइवर का जाता है। लाखों ड्राइवर हैं, तो एक दिन में करोड़ों कमाते हैं ये। जस्ट वन मोबाइल ऐप, एक मोबाइल ऐप, उसमें क्या है? ड्राइवर को पैसा मिल रहा है, कस्टमर को अपना सर्विस मिल रहा है, और इन्होंने एक टेक्नोलॉजी बना दिया। दिस इज कॉल्ड शेयरिंग इकोनॉमी। इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन, सबको फायदा होगा, फायदा सबको होगा। तो ये एयरबीएनबी होटल का इंडस्ट्री है, उन्होंने अपना होटल का शुरू किया। आपके घर में एक कमरा एक्स्ट्रा है, आप उसको एक रूम बना करके ऑफर कर लीजिए पैसे किसी को जो को रहना है एक रात के लिए, एंड यू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट। द पर्सन ऑल्सो गेट्स इट, एंड द पर्सन हु इज गिविंग द हाउस गेट्स मनी, द ट्रैवलर गेट्स अ प्लेस टू स्टे, एंड you have created a system. So the person who created the system also earns out of it, क्योंकि आपने एक सिस्टम क्रिएट किया और उस सिस्टम को वो फॉलो कर रहा है। So that is how this whole thing works. Airbnb, even Theia works like this. Today we have 3,000 mentors across the country. जो mentors ये स्टूडेंट्स के साथ काम करते हैं, ये सब सीनियर प्रोफेशनल्स हैं। जैसे कि मैंने नेवी में 20 साल काम किया, और मैं today I am doing this work with students. So like this, you have a lot of mentors who have spent 20 years, 30 years in the industry, and they are working with youngsters today, but they get paid for it, and they also gets money for it. So it's a win-win situation. So it's a business model called sharing economy business model. Then you have, so if you look at it, you have technology which is ruling the world. You have business models which have newly created, जहां पे सबको पैसा मिलता है, जो टेक्नोलॉजी क्रिएट कर रहा है, जो उसके पास कुछ कैपिटल है, और जो कस्टमर है उसको उसका सर्विस मिल रहा है। सो तीनों लोगों को फायदा होता है इससे। So this is how business models are evolving, and you have a sharing economy where it's a win-win situation. So this is how this entire world. Now we had done this research way back in 2013. एक पेपर था जो वर्ल्ड बैंक से आया था, जिसमें इन लोगों ने रिसर्च किया था, ऑक्सफोर्ड इंस्टीट्यूट से रिसर्च हुआ था, जिसमें दे फाउंड आउट विच आर द एरियाज वेयर द जॉब लॉसेस आर गोइंग टू बी देयर। ओके, नाउ आप देखोगे इसमें टेलीमार्केटियर्स नहीं रहेंगे। So those of you who are thinking of getting into any kind of BPO or telemarketing, please do not get into it. That is not going to remain. Accountants and auditors, accounting and auditing will not be remaining, क्योंकि पूरा automate हो जाएगा, पूरा digitize हो जाएगा. So it will be a very few people will be there who will be on top, but systems will be running the entire process. Retail salesperson, अगर आप sales में जा रहे हो, retail में market में जा रहे हो, it is not going to remain because e-commerce is taking over. टेक्निकल राइटर्स कंपनीज में जो लिखते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स, वो नहीं रहेंगे, वीडियोस बन रहे हैं आजकल, तो वीडियो एडिटर्स हैव कम इनटू प्ले। नाउ देयर आर वीडियोस ऑफ इक्विपमेंट व्हिच आर गेटिंग पब्लिश्ड, सो दिस इज गोइंग। तो इफ यू लुक एट इट, ऑल दीज एरियाज आर गोइंग। व्हाट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन, दैट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, एनी वर्क व्हिच इन्वॉल्व्स ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन कनेक्ट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन। सो गेट इनटू, फॉर एग्जांपल, एथलेटिक ट्रेनर। एथलेटिक ट्रेनर मतलब अभी मैं रनिंग में ट्रेन करता हूं किसी को, तो मुझे भागना पड़ेगा ना, साथ में पर्सनलाइज्ड ट्रेनिंग देना पड़ेगा ना। So any kind of physical training, any kind of physical or emotional work, social, like हमने psychologist को देखा, will always remain because human connect है, emotional connect है. So these are all the areas which will remain. So if you want to summarize this, you know what Elon Musk is a great entrepreneur. जिन्होंने बहुत सारी कंपनियां खोली हैं, वो क्या बोलते हैं कि सोचो किस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हो, think about who would be first replaced with robots, move as far away from that role as you can. Very important. डोंट स्टे इन अ रोल। अगर वो प्रोसेस बेस्ड रोल है, अगर एक रोबोट उसको टेक ओवर करने वाला है, मूव अवे फ्रॉम इट, यू विल नॉट रिमेन। 2 साल में आप आउट हो जाओगे। सो बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाट एरिया यू आर गेटिंग इनटू। वर्कर्स इन फैक्ट्रीज विल नॉट रिमेन। जैसे पहले कपड़ा बनाने वाले वीवर्स वेंट ऑफ द मार्केट, मशीन्स केम इन, उसी तरीके से जो वर्कर्स हैं, जो फैक्ट्री में काम करते हैं, दे विल नॉट रिमेन, रोबोट्स विल टेक ओवर, बट यू विल रिक्वायर पीपल टू मैनेज दीज रोबोट्स, यू विल रिक्वायर पीपल टू मैनेज द सिस्टम्स, यू विल रिक्वायर पीपल टू सेट पॉलिसीज इन प्लेस, उसके लिए लोग चाहिए होंगे, राइट? So now the question is, are we ready? Now when we are talking about, studying in colleges, doing courses, doing education, are we getting prepared for this fast changing world of work with this automation? So what is the kind of training that you need? आज की तारीख में, what is happening is everybody is running behind engineering, कि मेरे को engineering करना है. I saw some comments कि मुझे SAT दे करके abroad जाना है. Everybody wants to do some education and you're spending large amount of money into it. हमारे टाइम पे एजुकेशन वाज नॉट एक्सपेंसिव. हम लोग कितना कॉस्ट होता था? इट वाज लेस देन ₹1,00,000. टुडे एक इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री में कितने लाख खर्च हो जाते हैं? एटलीस्ट 20 लाख, 17 लाख. एन एमबीए डिग्री कॉस्ट 25 लाख. इफ यू गो अब्रॉड, करोड़ों में खर्च होता है. नाउ इफ दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ मनी दैट इज गेटिंग स्पेंड and at the end of it you come back and you're not getting employed, what is the frustration going to be? And that is the problem that is happening in the industry today. People are getting educated, getting qualified, but they are not getting employable because they're not thinking about where they would like to contribute. So contribution to the economy, contribution to the industry, what you would like to do is more important. पहले ये डिसाइड करना बहुत जरूरी है कि what you want to become, उसके हिसाब से एजुकेशन करना जरूरी है. और सिर्फ एजुकेशन नहीं, एजुकेशन के साथ में स्किल डेवलपमेंट भी करना जरूरी है, राइट? सो 15 years back, very few people used to college. Today आज 30% people are going to college. Another statistics for you. आज अगर ग्रॉस एनरोलमेंट रेशियो हम देखेंगे हायर एजुकेशन में, and this is something that will be very interesting facts for you, with the government of India has published the norms called AISHE. पूरी इंडिया में अगर हम 18 साल से लेके 25 साल तक और 24 साल तक लोग बच्चों को देखते हैं, only 26% are entering into any kind of higher education. That is the reality. That is the reality. Okay, that means what is happening is, in the world of work, only the best get hired. Now there is a book called Ultra Learning. Okay, उसमें उन्होंने एक स्कॉट यंग करके ऑथर है, उन्होंने क्या बोला है? उन्होंने बोला है कि this age is the end of averages. There is no average in this world. माने या तो आप एकदम टॉप में हो, यू आर अ साइंटिस्ट, यू आर अ ब्रेनी पर्सन, यू आर अ रिसर्चर, यू आर डिस्कवरिंग समथिंग न्यू, और यू आर अ वेरी स्किल्ड पर्सन हु इज वेरी गुड एट डूइंग समथिंग. ये जो बीच के लोग थे ना, मैक्सिमम एवरेज, जो एक डिग्री करके काम करते थे, दे विल गेट वाइप्ड आउट. This age is going to end. This average is not going to be there. So you have to decide whether you want to be on the person who's going to be a very brainy person who's going to work in the knowledge field, or you're going to develop your skills and be an expert in something. But you don't have a choice to be just an average. There is no average, and I'm telling you, none of the children, the youth sitting out here, are average. Nobody is average in this world. Each one of us has got some unique talent. If we find out that talent, if we become confident about ourselves, and if we align it to what we want to become, nothing can stop you from becoming the best, and the best will get hired. So we are riding a wave. India is in the next 10 years, India will be the largest working population in the entire world. हमारा देश का जो पॉपुलेशन है, लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन होगा, वर्किंग पॉपुलेशन, यंग पॉपुलेशन, जिसमें एनर्जी है, जिसमें जुनून है, जो कुछ अच्छा कर सकता है. इस पॉपुलेशन बाकी देशों में नहीं है वो. So if we are able to get ourselves to that level where we are skilled, we are able to understand what we want to do, and we are able to solve problems in the future, we will be number one. हमको number one आने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. And that is what we are working towards. We are trying to put this thought into every youngster's mind, that think big, बड़ा सोचो, कुछ बड़ा करो. You are not here studying, putting your 18 years of education just to do something, just to get a job. But you are doing something because you want to do something great. You want to feel proud of yourself. You want to make your parents proud. जब वापस घर जाते हो, you should have a feeling of pride कि मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया. That is why we are talking about. Now, what is the new way of hiring? Hackathon. आज आप देखोगे, there is a site called hackerearth.com. जो लोग सॉफ्टवेयर में हैं या कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर के इंडस्ट्री में काम करना चाहते हैं, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, hackerearth.com आप जरा देखिए एक बार जाकर के. उसके अंदर आज की तारीख में every company is putting challenges, is putting competitions. If you log on to it, without a degree, without a qualification, you will get hired. You will start earning money. Now this is the new world. The new world has changed. You can, along with your graduation, along with your studies, you have to start skilling yourself. You have to start learning how to earn. Learning how to earn is very important. So hackathons, competitions, projects, these are the new ways of hiring. Any company is hiring you based on your capability to do something, not based on only your degree. Degree is good. Degree is important. It is needed. But along with the degree, what have you done? What can you do? Have you done something till now? Have you participated in competitions? Have you solved some problems? Have you done projects? These are the questions that any employer is going to ask. So my earnest request to all of you is start thinking about how can I earn money when I'm studying. Along with your studies, start working towards skilling yourself, getting into competitions, getting exposure to companies. Go and work in your part time. Don't waste this time. शाम के वक्त में अगर पढ़ाई खत्म हो गई है, जाके काम कीजिए. अगर आज कोविड सिचुएशन है, ऑनलाइन काम कीजिए. आपके पास कंप्यूटर है, आप घर में बैठे हैं तो ऑनलाइन काम कीजिए. आज टुडे द नेट इज ओपन. So let's start, putting ourselves online and let's start learning how to earn our money. The day you earn your first buck, it's a very big day for you. That day you should celebrate because you have learned the art of living. That is the art of living. It is not, then you're not worried. Then what will happen is your reputation will start increasing. अगले 2 सालों में इतना reputation बढ़ जाएगा. Job तो आना ही आना है. But आपको job नहीं भी आया, you will launch your own business, you will do some self-employment, or you will work. Work is going to be there. But skill building along with education is become the critical need of the hour. It is not nice to do. करना पड़ेगा. हम लोगों को सबको ये डिसाइड करना है कि हम कॉलेज में पढ़ाई के साथ साथ अपना स्किल बढ़ा करके स्टार्ट गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व इन द इंडस्ट्री. एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट एज मेंटर्स वी वर्क with our students, and when we will doing the work, we work along with you, saying that let's create projects, let's do something, let's solve some problems, let's put some life projects into place. So we have mentors from the industry. So industry and academia connect becomes very critical. That is something that we are talking about. Okay, this is exactly what I was saying. It is not only about education anymore. It's about competence. We have to build our competence, right? So are you ready for the change challenge? Okay, so this is something that I want to tell this audience that now we are getting into fields. Now the fields, we have seen the trends in the field. You have seen what are the areas that we are getting into. So now that you're doing your education, start thinking about what kind of a person are you. Are you a knowledge oriented person who wants to get into scientific research or non-scientific research? कोई हिस्ट्री में रिसर्च करना चाहता है, कोई पॉलिटिक्स में रिसर्च करना चाहता है, कोई साइंस में रिसर्च करना चाहता है, बट रिसर्च एरिया बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो दैट इज वन नॉलेज पार्ट. Are you a person who is into skill, who wants to be a person who can work with gadgets, work with equipment, work with stuff, design कर सकते हो, fashion design है, gadget design है. Design is a very big field. Or a person who is very good at technical things. You can work with machines. You're very good at repairing things. You're very good at creating, working with problem solving. तो आप मरीन में जा सकते हो, एविएशन में जा सकते हो. You can be a great engineer or a technician in those areas. That is another area of a skill. And the third area is, are you a person who is, I've got God's gift of talking. आप communicate कर सकते हो, आप लोगों को हंसा सकते हो, आप एक्टिंग में अच्छे हो, आप ड्रामा में अच्छे हो, आप डांसिंग में अच्छे हो. दिस एरिया इज कमिंग अप लाइक क्रेजी. एरिया ऑफ मास मीडिया. आज आप देखो, आप किसी भी मीडिया एंटरटेनमेंट चैनल में जाओगे तो इतने सारे चैनल्स हैं, और वर्नाकुलर लैंग्वेज में अगर आप कर सकते हो तो और बढ़िया. इट इज गोइंग टू ग्रो द नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 years, बिकॉज मोबाइल तो सबके पास है, इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी आ रहा है, फाइबर कनेक्टिविटी आ रहा है, नई कंपनियां आ रही हैं. तो फ्यूचर में क्या होगा? Everybody is going to ask for content in their own language. नया एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आ रहा है, इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वर्नाकुलर, मदर टंग में पढ़ाना है अर्ली एजेस में. सो मदर टंग, इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज, मीडिया कंटेंट, एक्टिंग, these are all areas which are upcoming. तो डरने का जरूरत नहीं है, ये ग्रो होने वाला है. सो ऑल दिस इज गोइंग टू ग्रो. सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. दुनिया में अपॉर्चुनिटीज भरे हुए हैं. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग, व्हाट द पॉइंट इज, आर वी रेडी फॉर दिस VUCA वर्ल्ड? It is volatile, it is uncertain, it is complex, it is ambiguous, but are we ready? And if as a young person, I got 20 years of active life, हमको किस बात का डर है? हमारे अंदर स्ट्रेंथ है, हमारे अंदर काबिलियत है. If we understand our strength, if we understand what we are good at, and we have a support system today, we are very thankful to Dr. Vani, who has, and the entire education secretary, commissioner education, everybody has planned this. Why? Because we all want that the youth in Jammu and Kashmir should dream big, should create some big life for themselves, and the entire universe will support you to become the best. And that's a promise from our side. So with this, I would like to conclude and I would like to express my heartfelt thanks that I got this opportunity to present to this in August audience. Thank you so much, Dr. Vani sir, to having given this opportunity to me. Over to you, sir. Any questions from the audience? I'll be very happy to answer it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir. Please ask.
You know the situation in Kashmir already, and
Yes.
we are, you know, how it is going under this internet scenario. We are availing only 2G. And what about the youth who have already attained the level of overage? That is, they are no more able to attain the skills for newer opportunities in the employment sector. You have described in your presentation. And I would like to remind you that a few days ago, I have checked the status. How many people have applied for the class 4th job? 92,000 candidates have applied for only class 4th job. What is your message for the youth who have applied in larger numbers for a class 4th job?
Very good question, sir. I really appreciate and I understand and I completely empathize. Yes, it's a very, I would say in the age of technology, जहाँ पे हर जगह we are talking about 4G, 5G, अगर it's a sad state and I totally empathize with that. But
Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Yes, I'm gonna issue audible. Hello.
Vani sir,
Hello.
you're audible.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, ma'am. Basically, I would like to request every participant. There will be a 4 minutes break. Okay. Let you or 5 minutes break. Let you join once again after 5 minutes. 5 minutes break is there, and after 5 minutes, everybody is requested to join again in the webinar.
Sure.
Thank you. Naveen sir, kindly. There is 5 minutes break. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm audible now. There was a cut off in the connection. It's raining very heavily in Pune, and all of a sudden the net connectivity went off here. So, Dr. Vani,
Yes.
any questions I would love to
Yeah. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
question. I hope
I request
that
the participant if there is any query, any question, kindly. Naveen sir is waiting for the questions. This is the question answer session for 5 minutes. The question. Yeah. Question answer. What's the unmuted? Secretary sir बोलता तो उसको कुर्सी ही है क्या? नहीं बोलता नहीं basically secretary साहब थोड़ा ओके ये क्या स्लाइड इनका तो भी ऐसा है ऐसा क्या सर क्या सर
Hello, sir. Naveen, sir. Can I ask you a question? I am Oida Shah from Islamia College. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Naveen sir, question to you. There is a question to you, sir.
Sure.
Naveen sir.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're audible. Please go on.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Oida Shah from Islamia College.
We'll take the questions one by one. I think
I'm-
Islamia College ma'am
Yes,
was asking
I'm
a question.
highly
We just
impressed.
and we'll go to the
Highly impressed. I am highly impressed by the knowledgeable presentation, and we all are enlightened. And I would like to know that we as teachers, how could we help in colleges? How could we help the students in actually enhancing their skills? Apart from the skill courses that we are offering in choice-based credit system, how could we help them so that they may fall in the right direction in choosing their career and path? Can you give me some suggestions, please?